Hi, what's your name?
This is Shweta Mehta.
And how old is the child?
Aryan Mehta is 5 years old.
Okay, where do you stay?
Andheri West.
Okay, so what kind of institutes were you looking out for Aryan?
I am a chartered accountant and I work with PwC. So when I wanted to resume back after a 2-year sabbatical, we were looking at institutes where he could do a play school plus he could stay back till I'm in office. So we were looking for a play school plus a daycare.
Okay.
So we were looking kind of a holistic institute wherein the kind of environment is also very child friendly and he doesn't feel out of place and out of home, because I put Aryan in Kokatu when he was around 2 years old. So from 2 to 5 it has been a very wide journey for us, and it has been an awesome experience in terms of the teachers and all. But yeah, what we said initially, the first thing we saw was obviously the kind of atmosphere, the kind of experience the teachers had. Those were the basic criteria, and Khushbu and Sneha have always been around to help.
Okay.
And the teachers are also very good, and they really relate to the teachers and stuff. So we were looking at that kind of a place.
So what are the options that you considered, when you were looking
we
out for
actually had started our day, I still remember, like at 10 o'clock in the morning. We went from Bandra to Andheri. We had a list of some 10 institutes that we had to visit. And Kokatu, in fact, was the last thing because it was just closer to home. So we thought we'd start with Bandra first. And we went to so many daycares and so many we would have gone for more than 10 that particular day. And we were keen on finalizing something for Aryan that day. And what really kind of attracted me, and as I said, Kokatu was the last thing, the 10th on the list. Because of the close proximity to our house, we had decided we'll go here last. The best thing which attracted me towards this was that it was very kind of a very nice environment that they had in terms of the layout and everything compared to the others. The others were more like a child factory. So we could have like 15 students sleeping one after the other as if it was some jail or something that they were put. And when we came to Kokatu, we found it really different, wherein there was a lot of personalized attention that the teachers were giving. The maid to the child ratio, the teacher to the child ratio was very nice. So that is I think the best thing that attracted me towards Kokatu.
Right, so that's why you basically chose Kokatu Kids over the other options.
Yeah, sure.
So how has your experience been so far? Could you share 2 good things about Kokatu Kids?
Yeah, sure. For Aryan, it has been around 3 years that he's been going over here. So he did his play school over here, plus it has been an additional daycare for the balance hours. He now goes to AVM June. So the best bit about Kokatu is it has improved his personality. He was an introvert child. So from that to blossoming into a person whom now he can relate to everybody, he talks to everybody, and in terms of table manners and doing his own stuff independently, I think Kokatu has a very big contribution for all of that. As a mother, as a parent also, we imbibe certain values, but they have been reinforced again by Kokatu. Like the same discipline that we have kind of at home over here, they've been taught to eat on their own, sit in one place and eat, respect, and I think that is what is more important, and that is what he's learned. It has been, as I said earlier, it has been a very awesome journey for us.
Right.
And he looks forward to coming to Kokatu.
Okay.
So initial settling phase is always there, so that took some 5-10 days that he took to settle. But now, over these years, he is always excited to come to the place.
Okay, so would you have any suggestions or feedback for Kokatu Kids?
Nothing. I think they should just continue doing the good job that they have been doing.
Okay. So how likely are you to recommend Kokatu Kids to other parents on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest?
5, I think. I think they've done a superb job with Aryan.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks.